John, not now. Lord in heaven.
Hey,
No, you have to watch.
I am watching.
One thing at a time. It won't kill you.
I'm watching. Buddy.
Oh,
It's okay.
okay. Turn around.
You can open.
Open them. Look around. What's different in here?
What's different?
What's different?
Two.
Yeah!
It's yours.
It's your chair. It's your own rocking
Look, sit
chair.
next to your brother.
Happy birthday!
Yeah,
What do you
Now
say?
Now I have two tails.
And you always wanted a rocking chair. Go say thank you. What do you say?
Try it.
Try it out, man. No, you gotta sit
Just
in
sit
it.
on
you
it.
silly
I don't want
boy.
to.
Sit in it.
It's your rocking chair. It's yours.
Or I'll sit in it.
And also I don't like it because it's all white.
What do you want it to be?
But it's different and it's special.
That's not very nice. You say thank you.
But it's all white.
You say
What do
thank
What do
you.
you want it to be?
Different. You can probably.
We
can paint it.
We can paint
Yeah.
it together.
Would you like
Try
to
it
paint
out.
it?
See how.
Sit down.
Take it for a ride.
See if it's good.
Take it for a ride.
See if it rocks.
He's afraid that the paint's not dry.
It's not paint. It's not paint.
Paint's not dry.
It's not paint. It's from IKEA. Your Oma got it the other day.
You say
And
thank
But yesterday when you
You
were
don't say
there
you
and you
don't
didn't
like
even
it.
know
Actually, you
it.
can't sit in it. You can't. It's too big, isn't it?
Oh, it's for not for
Is it too
4-year-olds.
big?
It's
Oh,
for
sorry.
babies.
Yeah, it
Oh.
works.